You think Earth is the only place with fiery, lava-spewing mountains? Think again. Volcanoes are actually scattered all across our solar system. Mars is home to Olympus Mons. It's the largest volcano in the entire solar system, and it's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. And then there's Venus. It has more volcanoes than any other planet we know of, over 1,600 major ones dotting its scorching surface. From giant shields on Mars to sulfur-spewing moons like Io, the universe is much more explosive than you ever imagined. Hit subscribe to explore more explosive secrets of the cosmos.